Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel. This can be really helpful if you're trying to filter out unwanted comments or content from specific users. It's a simple process that can make your channel more enjoyable and manageable. So, let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is simply go to the YouTube channel that you want to block. You can do this by either searching for the channel name in the YouTube search bar or by clicking on their profile if you've already interacted with their content. Once you're on their channel page, you'll need to click on the small arrow next to the subscribe button at the top right of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down menu, you'll be directed to the About section of that specific channel. This is where you'll find various details about the user, including their description and contact info. If you scroll down a little, you should see the option to Report User. This is where you can take action if you want to block them or report any inappropriate behavior. Once you're in the Report User section, you'll need to click on the option that says Hide the user from my channel. This is a great option if you're looking to prevent them from commenting on your videos. As you can see, this option will hide both existing comments and any future comments from this user on your channel, helping to maintain a positive community vibe. It's worth noting that this will not delete their past comments, but will stop them from being able to interact with your content going forward. After selecting Hide the user from my channel, simply click Submit. This is the final step in blocking the user. Once done, they'll no longer be able to leave comments or engage with your content, which helps keep your channel free from unwanted attention. It's important to know that this method applies to all types of channels, whether they're from a personal account, a business account, or a spammy bot. I really hope you found this video helpful. Blocking users like this is a great way to take control of your YouTube community and keep things running smoothly. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If this method works for you, or if you have a different way of blocking a user, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and possibly try out new solutions in future videos. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you manage your YouTube channel more effectively and create a better experience for your community. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Also, feel free to drop a comment below with any questions, feedback, or suggestions for future videos. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy YouTubing!